We're gonna take this party from day to night. Right now I'm rocking a day look. No biggie, but I'm ready to party. Let's do it. Before we start this video, I just wanted to talk about this necklace that I was sent because I love it. It's made by Auburn Jewelry. And Lenny, I got you one, look. Do you love it?
Yeah.
It's a lipstick and it has an L. Can they see that? Lenny put on her necklace and now we have matching necklaces because we're in love, right?
No.
What? She's already 17. We're back, people. I'm gonna just show you an easy day tonight, and this is just how to take your makeup to the next level. These are all Nars eyeshadows. So right now I just have like one wash of color on my eye, and I'm just gonna take a nice blending brush. So this is Coconut Grove, and we're just gonna go in the corner right here. So a little bit more Coconut Grove in the corners. So we're gonna take a little bit of Nightbreed. It has a little bit of sparkle in it. Just take a little of that and place it right at the bottom of the lid, like so. So we're just creating a little bit more depth in the corner. That's it, just a little bit of depth, baby. Next, I'm gonna take Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner in Sumatra, and I'm gonna fill in my water rim. It's like one of the quickest ways to go from day to night. And I'm gonna put it on the top line too. Smoking it out. Now we'll take a little bit of concealer. Get under there if you have to clean anything up. Oh, my dog's here, and he smells. Can you smell him? So we're in there. We got the eyes are a little bit more dramatic. Now we're gonna do a little bit more drama on the cheeks. Gonna give myself a little bit of powder right here. Oh, it's snowing. Okay, little powder. Little Tom Ford in this duo that I think was a one-time deal. Taking a little bit of both. Whoa. The payoff is real, y'all. The payoff is real. So last is a lip. So this is called Ogee. This is a Hydro Organic Sculpted Lip Oil. It's tinted in Azalia. This is a new brand, Ogee, like Original Gangster, Ogee, but it's spelled O-G-E-E. And this is Azalia, super pretty. And there we go. Day to night, ladies and gents, and anyone who's listening. Day to night, night to day. Not that many steps to get to the night. Hope you enjoyed this easy, whoops, look over there. Hope you enjoyed this easy day to night. Comment below, tell me what you want to see, tell me what you want to be when you grow up, and subscribe. Love you, mean it, bye.